Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Replit free plan in 2026. So if you're looking to code, learn programming, or build simple projects without spending money, this guide will walk you through the basics. First, visit Replit and sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, create a free account using your email or another available sign-in option. Once you're logged in, take a quick look around the dashboard. This is where you'll create projects, manage your workspaces, and access your recent files. Next, click the Create REPL button and choose the programming language you want to use. The free plan supports many popular languages, including Python, JavaScript, and several others. You can also share your projects with friends, classmates, or team members by using the Share option and sending them the project link. Finally, keep an eye on any usage limits that apply to free accounts. If you ever need more resources or advanced features, you can compare the available paid plans later. And that's it. That's how to use the Replit free plan in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.